video I'm gonna show you how to make the yarn over stitch, which is really simple to make. It can't be the first stitch of the row, so I already have here 3 stitches on my right hand needle. And to make the yarn over stitch, what you need to do is just wrap the yarn around your needle that is on your right hand and hold it securely with your index finger, and then work the next stitch. And it will create a nice little hole here, as you can see, and your stitch count has increased by 1 stitch. So yeah, this can be as a decorative stitch, but also some patterns have this as an increased stitch also, so creating a wider fabric with these little holes. Another option is to make the yarn over in this manner that it will not increase the stitch count. So for that we will make the yarn over. I hold it with my index finger and go to the next stitches, but instead of knitting as we did here, I will knit the next 2 together. So this way I increased 1 but decreased also 1 here, so I will have the same amount of stitches on my needles that I had before this last yarn over. And when you now work the remaining stitches, let's make another one here. Just yarn over the needle and working next 2 together, so keeping still the initial stitch count with this 1 extra yarn over here. It is +1 for this row. Now if you work these stitches also on the wrong side, which in a stockinette stitch is purling all stitches, but I like to slip always the first stitch to leave a smoother edge, so I have the first stitch slipped, but I will be purling all the next stitches. So let's do it here and see how it looks from the right side. So the last yarn over, and now the 3 stitches I had already on my needles. Oops. So this is from the wrong side, but on the right side you can see little holes here. So this was the first yarn over we made on the previous row that increased the stitch count, but this one was already worked with knitting the next 2 together, so you can see the difference how it looks. But a little lovely holes here, so hope this technique will be handy in your next project, and see you in the next video then.